Gregory Johnson, and we have Nocentio here with us today. And his mom named him that before she knew whether he had any sense or not. But we are seeing Nocentio, and he brought his MRI in today, which I looked at. And he does have herniated disc at L3, L4, and L5 with degenerative joint disease, degenerative disc disease, osteoarthritis. Those terms are interchangeable or synonymous with a wear and tear process that goes on in the spine from forward head posture and forward biomechanics that wear and tear on the disc and the joints of the spine. So we're going to show you how we treat them, and let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, Nocentio. Took me a couple times to get his name right, but I'm pronouncing it right now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's better. Okay, you can see that his head's still a little bit forward. We're trying to knock some sense into him to get his head up and back. See how your head's a little forward and kind of looking down? We want to bring that head up, shoulders back. That's the exercise I was showing you. A little bit off to the right of center as well. You get to be our ring dinger of the day, Nocentio. Oh, that's your favorite, isn't it?
That's the one that hurts, huh?
Yeah, that's your favorite. That's everybody's favorite here. This is what people come here for, right here. Alright, here we go. Let's lay you on your back right there.
Oh, boy.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't hurt me a bit.
Oh, I know.
Actually, sometimes it does.
How's that going to hurt you?
Huh?
How's it going to hurt you?
Well, sometimes when a couple of great big guys slide down this way a little bit, the towel's not big enough to get around their entire neck, and I slipped with my hands before.
Some more? Whoa.
Yep, lay flat. There you go. In there tight enough, or you want me to do another one? That tight enough?
It's too tight.
No, it's not too tight. I don't want you slipping through it, then it really hurt. Just keep breathing shallow. And bring his legs up to where they're parallel with the floor. See how that changes? Just relax your feet. Just relax. See, he's all stressed out, tensed up now. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to loosen this one up. One. And I want you to slide over that way, underneath that one a little bit more, so that I can put this one in a little bit more. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, my God.
Yeah. Okay, keep your teeth together. Take a deep breath in. Let all your air out. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's why we call it the ring dinger. You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh.
Did you feel that all the way down here, Nocentio?
All the way here.
Down to your toes? Yeah, okay. Keep breathing. You know, that's where it got its name, ring dinger, because I get everything. Some people, not a lot, have been calling this a crude mass manipulation of the spine. Well, what it is a manual spinal decompression on the y-axis, which there's really no other effective treatment for that in chiropractic except for some of these glorified traction machines they call spinal decompression, like the DRX 9000 and some of those others, and they charge you a lot of money to do those, and that's all they are, really glorified traction machines. Okay, Nocentio's kind of sideways. Let me help you up. Grab my arm here. Bring your feet over to the side. There we go. Alright, I've already put some new paper on here for you, so let's go on your tummy.
Last day today.
Huh?
Last day today.
Yeah, well, that's a good one, actually.
Maybe I ought to take some drugs, huh?
Yeah. Maybe I'll take some drugs before you come in.
Some marijuana or something. Okay.
You know, I have had patients take a Valium before they come in before I got that. And they did. I don't really tell patients to take drugs or not take drugs. That's not really our scope of practice. So never advise patients on whether to take medication or not. I'll leave that between you and your MD. Of course, the goal is to take as little medication as possible, I think, for best natural health care. But I don't interfere with patients' medication schedules with them and their medical doctors. I let them work that out. Yeah, you must have ate a couple extra pancakes for him. There we go. Okay. Now see, these are where the lumbar spine vertebrae have gone backwards, so I'm pushing these back forward now in the Z-axis. There we go. Oh! Okay, exhale for me. Oh! Keep exhaling. Oh! Another one. Okay, don't hold your breath on me. Okay. Alright, take a couple of deep ones because I'm going to do the turbinator on you. Mic in later today.
What did you call that, a Terminator?
Turbonator.
Oh, turbo.
Yeah, it's like a Terminator on X steroids. Turbonator. There we go. That's it. Okay, now let's turn you on your back. You're moving a little bit better now than you were when you first walked in. There we go.
Use that Terminator.
Come around this way. Well, that's because I used the turbinator on you? Yeah.
Terminator.
Uh-huh. Let's slide down just a little bit. Down this way. Always seems to make you sweat. That's the autonomic nervous system. Wonder why, huh? There we go. There we go. Good. Now let's slide down this way just a little bit. Now I don't have any heads on my trophy wall yet. I won't start with yours. Let's put your arms out to the sides now for me, Nocencio. You're going to feel your upper back popping up. There we go. There we go. That's it. I'm adjusting the anterior rib cage where it meets the sternum right now. And these are specific adjustments. Now I'm going to decompress his knees all the way up through his hips into his lower back. You can put your hands on your tummy and just relax. There you go. You feel that all the way up?
Yep.
Okay, keep breathing. Same here. Just keep breathing. There we go. Good job. Okay, let's set you up face over towards Joseph sideways. I can't pull you up all the way. My back's hurting too. There we go. Okay, Joseph's going to have to ring-ding me this evening. Slide back this way. It'll feel a lot better when it quits hurting. Nocencio. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
You'll feel a lot better when it quits hurting.
Yeah.
That's my favorite line. Sometimes people get that. There we go. Sometimes they don't, but it always is true. Yeah, well, I definitely made you break out in the sweat today, didn't I?
Definitely. Oh, yeah.
Okay. There we go. So I told you I was going to be able to get more aggressive with you today after looking at those MRIs.
Yeah,
He's like, man, I
Let's
should.
take a look here in the mirror now. I'm still going to shoot you too. Some place in town you can come get beat up, feel better, pay for it, it's still legal. Let's have you bend your head forward and backwards again. Now see, his posture is already much better. Take a look, Nocencio. See how your shoulders are squared off more, your hands are at your sides now?
Yeah.
So just keep pulling those like that for me, and then we want to bring your head straight back like this. Now shift your pelvis straight left, like this. Shift it left.
Okay.
Go ahead. Way over there, further. Okay, hold your head up and back. And like there, keep that pelvis shifted left. Okay, you can relax. Let's try that same thing again, where you're going forward and backwards again. That should have felt smoother to you that time. Did it? Did that feel any smoother that time than the first one? Okay, good. Look at your posture now, how you have more equal spacing here. Still a little bit, actually it's a little left now, that's good. So it moved away from the right side.
Is that why I sometimes get the pain on my left?
Yes, because your pelvis is translated to the right, so it's putting more pressure on the muscles over there on the left. That's why I had to shift left today. So, Nocencio, what would you tell our YouTube subscribers about the impact of the ring dinger? Is it a ring dinger?
Don't do it. I'm lucky I'm still alive.
Yeah, but how much better are you from the first visit?
Oh yeah, it's getting better.
Yeah, so don't tell them don't do it. He just being no sense today. No
No sense at all.
Yeah. So, very good. So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and Nocencio coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic with the ring dinger of the day. We'll see you next time.